Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So the side-by-side pricing plans add-on is available free with all websites. It's already pre-installed on your website. Let me just show you where that is. If you go to Toolbox Menu Manager, you'll see in your default menus that there's a side-by-side pricing menu option. You can copy the shortcode for that and paste it onto a page. Let me go to My Content Web Page Builder. We'll go down to the pricing page and edit that. We can see that the default pricing plan is already been applied to the page. So we're just going to budge that down and we're going to paste that code in so you can see the pricing plan. We're going to save that. And then if we view the page, we can see that that's been applied to this page. So this is your side-by-side pricing plan. To edit that side-by-side pricing, you simply just go back to Toolbox Menu Manager. You can then customize the side-by-side pricing plan just by going into Actions and then Customize. And then you'll see the data laid out in a long list there for Plan 1, 2, and 3, which is applicable to the Plan 1, 2, and 3 displays here. So that's the side-by-side pricing that's already preloaded onto your website. It's a free add-on. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.